So I think in that story, I mean, you brought up a couple of things that kind of sparked some questions for me. I mean, one, I think in today's world, if you're familiar with email marketing, you've heard the terminology opt-in, right? But
Yeah.
most people, they don't understand, like there's usually a double opt-in now. Like there's not just one level of opt-in, there's multiple levels of opt-in. So I want you to
Right.
kind of like define that and talk about that, and tell the listener why the double opt-in is so important versus a single opt-in or just importing a random database without any verification.
hmm Yeah. So if you are importing any sort of data that you've never spoken to before, it doesn't matter if it's a cold list or something you've gotten from an event, you always want to send out a one-time opt-in email. And what that looks like is really just putting something simple together saying, we received your email address from this event, from wherever you got it from, and we want to give you this free piece of content to maybe entice them to opt in. And if you download this content, you're also going to check this box saying that you're okay with us receiving communication
Mhm.
from us. Um, and so that's kind of the first step. And that's a good way to weed out the list of who's going to be interested and who's not. And once they check that box, usually what will be done is that that person, the end reader, gets a confirmation email saying, you've opted into our list. We're going to give you one more time to unsubscribe if you did this on accident,
Mhm.
or if you want to keep getting communication from us, you don't have to do anything, just wait for our next email. And that's kind of the second step. And then that way you have documentation in your email platform that they did opt in, as well as that person feels all warm and fuzzy inside that you actually care. So the other whole piece of it is just making the end user feel like you care, because if you
Mhm.
have an email, you click on subscribe, you get the same email again, you're going to know that they don't care and you're just going to spam them.
Got it. Got it.